The most common mistake traders make when drawing the Fibonacci retracement. Knowing how to draw the Fibonacci retracement is more than knowing whether you should include the wick or the close. It's about identifying your market structure and condition. This is why traders often need to learn. Let's explore how to identify relevant swing highs and lows correctly. Plotting a Fibonacci retracement requires two things: a swing high and a swing low. This is so you can determine how low the pullback can go. That makes sense, right? How about these swing highs? This is where things can get tricky, because many traders can get confused about whether or not they should plot their Fibonacci retracement like this, or like this. Which swing high should you start drawing your Fibonacci retracement? Now, if you're in this situation, what do? You probably end up plotting more Fibonacci retracements on your chart like this. But there are better ways to use this tool. Yes, plotting more Fibonacci retracements can give you confluence on which levels to look at. But this will do you more analysis paralysis than actually making good trades. So, what's the solution? Focus on the current price and the relevant swing highs and lows for that current price. As a Fibonacci trader, I fell into this trap of plotting every Fibonacci retracement I could plot on and zooming out my charts as far as possible. But the moment I focused on the current price, and then figuring out the relevant swing highs and swing lows, identifying trading setups has been more precise than ever. That's right. Less is more, my friend. One good Fibonacci retracement is all you need most of the time. And this leads us to the main question of the day. How do I draw the Fibonacci retracement properly? I will cover this in my next video. If you got some value in this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your YouTube notifications for my channel so you don't miss any future videos on this or any other trading topic, including live charting and analysis. Thank you for watching.